back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can verify our YouTube account with phone number. So first of all, what you have to do is get yourself onto YouTube Studio, then select this settings button. Now from here, go to channels and you will see feature eligibility. Click onto it and you will see immediate feature that is under number 2. You're going to have to expand this. It says eligible, so make sure that you're also seeing eligible. Now it says verify phone number, so go ahead and click onto that button. And as you do that, it will ask you to provide your phone number. This is step 1 of 2. So what you have to do is, you can either select call or text. In my case, I would like to go for text. Now select your country. Let's go ahead, select another country and simply type in your phone number. Now as you do that, select next. It says important, up to 2 accounts can be verified per phone number per year. Once you have typed in your phone number at the next page, what you could do is send an SMS, and whatever SMS that you receive in the phone number that you have added, enter that in step 2 of 2 at the next page, and likewise confirm your action and your phone number will be verified.